You're welcome to Maths Easy Peasy. In today's class, we shall be exploring the topic probability. What is probability? Probability is a measure of how likely an event is to happen. Probability is represented as a fraction and always lies between 0 and 1. Probability of an event happening is simply the number of ways it can happen over the total number of outcomes. Let's go further to explain this concept using examples. Example 1. A fruit basket contains 6 apples, 4 bananas, 5 mangoes, and 3 oranges. If a fruit is picked at random, what is the probability of getting an apple? Now, the first thing we must do is to know the total outcome. The total outcome from this question will be gotten by adding the total number of fruits in the basket. The first fruit here is apple. We have 6 apples, 6 plus 4 gives us 10, plus 5, 15, plus 3 for oranges, which gives us 18. So the total outcome is 18. Now the number of apples, because since we are looking for the probability of getting of picking an apple, we will write the number of apple over the total number. So the number of apple, which is 6, will be our numerator, while the total number, which is 18, will be our denominator. Then we can reduce it to its lowest terms. Let's practicalize this on our board. Total outcome will be equal to 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, which gives us what? 18. So we have 18 fruits in the basket. Number of apples is equal to 6. So probability of picking an apple will be equal to 6 over the total outcome, which is 18, which is simply 6 here gives us 1, 6 here gives us 3, which is 1 over 3. In the likelihood table, or using probability terms, this is not up to half. So it simply means that it will be unlikely for us to pick what? An apple. Let's go further to explore more questions on probability. The bag contains 7 white balls, 3 red balls, and 2 black balls. A ball is picked from the bag at random. Find the probability of picking a red ball. 7 white balls, 3 red balls, making it 10, 2 black balls, making it 12. And if we pick a ball at random, what is the probability of picking a red ball? So, we all know the total outcome as 12. Then the number of red balls is 3. So with this, we'll be able to find the probability of picking a red total outcome. Is equal to 12. Number of red balls is equal to 3. Therefore, probability of picking a red ball will be equal to 3 over 12, which can be written as 3 here 1, 3 here gives us what? 4, as 1 over 4. It is unlikely that we will pick the ball from the bag, we will pick a red ball. So math is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, peasy cheesy, KFC chicken. Let's explore more complex questions. Okay, we shall be looking at probability of or. It simply means probability of picking this apple or picking an orange in a particular question. So the probability of or is the probability that states that this event will either occur or the other event occurring. So when you want to find the probability of one event or another occurring, you add their probabilities together. So probability of A or B will be probability of A plus probability of B. Let's solve some simple questions on this topic. Example 1. A bag contains 4 green balls and 2 blue balls. If a ball is chosen at random from the bag, find the probability of choosing a green ball or a blue ball. Now with this, the first step we must take is to look for the total outcome. And we have only 2 group of balls in the bag. So the total outcome will be 2 plus 4, which is 6. So we'll look for the probability of the blue and the probability of the green and add these 2 probabilities together. Let's solve this on our board. So total outcome is equal to 6. Probability of blue balls will be equal to 2 over 6. Probability of green balls will be equal to 4 over 6. Therefore, probability of green or red will be equal to 4 over 6 plus 2 over 6, which is the same thing as 6 over 6, which is equal to what? 1. So the probability of picking either a blue ball or a green ball will be equal to 1. That means it is certain that we must pick either a blue or a green. Maths is easy peasy. Lemons. Okay, let's take our second question for today. And the second question is simple. A number is chosen at random from 1 to 50. Find the probability of selecting either a multiple of 4 or the first thing we must do is to list out the multiples of 4 and multiples of 5 and write out their probability. So the first one is multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. Now, how many multiples of 4 do we have from 1 to 50? We'll count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 multiples. Therefore, probability of multiples of 4 will be equal to 12 over 50. Now let's do the same for multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 between 1 to 50 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Now, probability of multiples of 5, multiples of 5 will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10, all 50. Now we are good to go. With this, we can now calculate the probability of picking either multiples of 4 or multiples of 5. Therefore, probability of picking either a multiple of 4 or 5 will be equal to 12 over 50 plus 10 over 50, which is the same thing as 22 over 50. And we can break this down to become 11 over 25. This is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's Hungry Soup.